Aloha, this is Kai Hoshijo with your Sunrise Navigation Report for June 8th, 2022 on our leg 3 on Keala Yukahiki from Tahiti to Hawaii. So this morning, we believe that our position is around 9 north. Last night, we were able to see Hokule'a early in the night. We measured it at around 8 plus degrees, which tells us that we are above 8 degrees north. At that time in the night, you also have to add half a degree because Hokule'a hasn't fully risen yet. And so if you would add that, it would mean that we were somewhere in between 8 and 9 degrees north, probably closer to 9 degrees north. We saw a lot of squalls last night as well, which forced us to close sail, open sail, close sail, and real interesting wind shifts after the squalls that allowed us to sail quite fast. And then we also had to close sail, which caused us to slow down. And so in terms of average speed, I can't really give an exact number, but when we were sailing, it was anywhere from like 7 to 10 knots at one point, and slowing down to like 4 knots or just drifting when we closed the sail. And during those times, we were pointing like Hōkūle'a, which was right along our course line for that segment 2 in the doldrums. And then we had a wind shift after a squall to northeast wind, which forced us to point a little bit more down, probably in like Haka Ho'olua and Naleo Ho'olua at times. And so in the morning time, we find ourselves really higher north than we thought, honestly. We thought we were around like 7 degrees north, and when we measured Hokule'a, we were honestly very surprised that we were this far north and this far north in the doldrums. So it is quite a blessing that we had pretty much a easy kind of pass through the doldrums despite all of the squalls. So yeah, that's the nav report for today. We're pretty close to the course line, we believe. We made up a lot of easting actually in the doldrums and before the doldrums with the influence and the southeast winds that we were able to sail with. So we're pretty close to the course line, and we're starting segment 3 of the voyage, which is 9 north to 20.5 degrees north, the latitude of the middle of the Hawaiian Islands. So we're on our way home, and we're on the last stretch. So yeah, mahalo nui.